What are we doing? Oh, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Ride with Danger. She's air drumming. Oh, she's air drumming so hard right now. Get it, girl, get it. Now, if only you could drive with that kind of enthusiasm. Whew. You're flying, boy. Slow down, slow down. I have to imagine she was listening to In the Air Tonight and it hit that drum part, you know? It's your boy, Ride with the Road Suck. Don't get too close to me. Why are you getting so close to me? I don't like it. Sometimes if I ride like this and just kind of go back and forth, if people are tailgating me, they back off. Pro tip. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Blocking an intersection. What are you doing, dude? Just, what are you doing? The tunnel can have a little rev as a treat. Should have rev bombed it. That'll make that person behind me like really stop getting so close. Or I can hang off the side of the bike and they'll be like, all right, that's it. I'm calling the 911s. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Dude, back off. I got the horses in the bags, something is attached. I don't know much about horses, that's a fact. Saw, dude. My fan kicked on because it's 200 degrees. Dude, it feels like 200 degrees in the air, am I right? In the air tonight? Huh, am I right? That was the weirdest sounding Ford Edge I've ever heard. Bro, my legs feel like they are cooking. It's so hot out here, dude. It's Georgia in July. I'm gonna burn alive. Help me. Help me, Tom Cruise.
Help me, Tom Cruise.
Help me, Oprah Winfrey.
Oh, help me, Oprah Winfrey.
Help me, Jewish guy.
Help me, Jewish God.
Oh my gosh, is that a motorcycle? Come back here so I can love you. I mean, appreciate you for, you know, being awesome and stuff. You know, manly stuff. Yeah. Ow. The roads are hurting me. My soft skin. Help, help, I'm being repressed.
Help, help, I'm being repressed.
That's a nice dog you got over there, sir. If only I had time to stop and pet it, I'd give you a nice little pet on the head too for being such a good dog owner. Oh no, the motorcycle turned off. Now we can't be friends. Unless, of course, I follow him home. I feel like that will go perfectly well. Just pull up and be like, hey bro, what are we doing today? Nice place you got here. Mind if I come in and make myself some salad? I don't know why I said salad. I don't know. I don't even really eat salad. I don't eat anything healthy, to be honest. It's really a miracle I'm not super fat and out of shape. I better do some push-ups to make up for it. Oh, I am winded. Woo! Good thing I'm not fat and out of shape, or that would have been difficult. Oh no, traffic! Good thing I got bike privileges, bro. Sucks. Thanks for waiting on me. You didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it. I want to go fast, but I can't because of this stupid Toyota Matrix.
Why have you forsaken me, Toyota?
I just want to go fast. Ricky Bobby, shake and bake. I wake up in the morning and I piss excellence.
I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence.
Slingshot engaged.
Slingshot engaged.
Oh my god, dude. It's so hot. My legs are on fire. I saw, dude. Oh man, I can't feel my legs. Oh, I'm paralyzed.
I am so paralyzed.
You don't know what it's like to be paralyzed. I hope you have two beautiful sons and God takes away their legs.
I hope that both of you have sons. Handsome, beautiful, articulate sons who are talented and star athletes, and they have their legs taken away.
You know why this Toyota Matrix is going so slow? Because there's a cougar in the car.
What the hell? It's a goddamn cougar in the car.
Nice Camaro, bro. I was gonna make a joke about it, but I couldn't think of any. That's because Mustangs suck. Camaros rule. Chow, dude. Oh my god, have you never been through a roundabout before? Oh my gosh, I just saw the little puppy hanging out the window. It's your little puppers! It's fine, I forgive you, Matrix, for going slow. You're just taking care of that little puppers. It's alright. I forgive you. It's alright. Oh my gosh. Alright, that's all I got for you guys today, so I'm gonna cut it right here. Now you see me? Now you don't. Magic Man.
The Magic Man. Now you see me? Now you don't.
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Did someone's Nissan stop working? Psh, couldn't be the CVT transmission, could it? Alright, peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you on the other side.
Oh my God, help me, I don't want to die.
Shake it, bake! Shake it, bake! Shake it, bake! Oh, if it fits, it chips. Full sends it into the wall. I meant to do that. It's for YouTube, bro. It's hot. Oh my God, it's so hot. I think I'm dead. Oh my God. Oh, hey, good looking.